Hey everyone, welcome back to Intruder Security. In this video, we are going to explore how to brute force directories of websites. Directory brute forcing is one of the important and crucial part of bug bounty hunting. Being so, it's in another video of web application hacking and learning bug bounty. So we are going to explore two tools majorly used in bug bounty. That's Gobuster and Dirb. Whether you're a cybersecurity enthusiast or a professional pen tester, these tools are essential for your toolkit. Stick around till the end, because I've got a special tip that will make your directory brute forcing even more effective. A quick disclaimer before we start. The techniques demonstrated in this video are for educational purposes only. Always have explicit permission before testing any websites. Let's kick things off by understanding what directory brute forcing is and why it's so important. Imagine you're exploring a website, but there are hidden paths and directories that aren't immediately visible. These hidden directories could contain valuable information or even vulnerabilities. That's where directory brute forcing comes in. It helps us discover these hidden paths. Cool, right? First up, let's talk about Gobuster. Gobuster is a fast and powerful tool written in Go, which means it's really efficient. To get started, you'll need to have Go installed on your system. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's jump into the installation process. First and foremost, make sure to update and upgrade your systems using sudo apt update and upgrade. This may take some time if you haven't updated it in past time. Once completed, we need to install Gobuster. As of Kali Linux, Gobuster has been added to list of tools, and so it can be installed with apt. So if you want to install it on another Linux distribution, you need to install tools using Go. For now, let's use apt and install it. Remember, all the installation commands are in the description box. So for installing command is sudo apt install Gobuster and sudo apt install Dirb. This will take time to install, but I had installed them already, so it took less time. And just like that, we have Gobuster installed. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, let's see Gobuster in action. Imagine we have a target website. Let's use hacker1.com domain for this demo. We'll run Gobuster to find hidden directories. So to run Gobuster, use Gobuster followed by dir to signify it's a directory brute force. Now to add domain, use -u for target. Now we need a word list of directories. I have downloaded a word list from Seclist. You can get it, the link is in description box. Gobuster starts enumerating directories quickly. You can see it's really fast and provides us with a lot of useful information. But remember, always have permission to test a website before you run these tools. Now, let's switch gears and talk about Dirb. Dirb is a straightforward, command line-based tool that is easy to use and comes pre-installed on many pen testing distributions like Kali Linux. There's a good advantage of Dirb over Gobuster. You already have a default word list which has a good amount of sensitive files. So for large amount of subdomains file, I recommend you to go with Dirb. To use Dirb, go forward in terminal and use command Dirb followed by the target URL. Dirb starts by performing a comprehensive scan of the target website. It also shows the status codes, which helps in identifying accessible and forbidden directories. While Dirb is running, let's talk about why you might choose one tool over the other. Gobuster is great for quick scans and gives you results fast. It's perfect when you need to get in, get the information, and get out. On the other hand, Dirb's thoroughness makes it ideal for a deep dive into the target structure. And here's the special tip I promised. Use both Gobuster and Dirb together. Start with Gobuster for a quick overview, then dive deeper with Dirb to explore any interesting finds. This way, you get the speed of Gobuster and the detailed insights of Dirb. So we had a quick and practical guide to directory brute forcing with Gobuster and Dirb. These tools are incredibly powerful and can uncover hidden gems in your target's web structure. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always ensure you have authorization to test any web application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a tool you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and stay curious, everyone.